Guys, it's Joe here with Scott Country International. Jeff again, Doggy again. Everybody. Here we are, good old team. So out this evening, lovely day today, nice bit of sunny weather, and yeah, looking pretty decent. So we thought we'd try our luck and have a little look down where we've been the last few times and see if we can spot some red. So you'll see from the little video here, I've flown the drone over and a little look around, see what's about. Now we're going to go see if we can catch up with them. So don't know if they're going to be hinds, don't know if they're going to be stags, but we can only try and find out. So we will see how we go. I've got with me today the Zeiss DTI 450. Jeff's got the Pulsar Telos. On the rifle we've got the Pulsar Thermion Duo DXP50. Here's just a short clip of the Duo, which you can see is an amazingly clear scope. Absolutely fantastic bit of kit. All the gear, some ideas, let's see what we can do. Come back to you in a bit. So we just managed to get ourselves into a nice position here to where those deer were before. And we can see them, they're about 70 metres away from us. And I'm pretty much sure, and I think Jeff is as well, that they're all hinds. Spent quite a lot of time here this season. Haven't had an opportunity like that in the whole time we've been here, but it has been absolutely hammering it down with rain for the last, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 weeks, however long it's been, and it's just broken the last couple of days. Obviously makes all the difference to the deer. I had a lot of activity last night. I must have had 20 videos and photos come through from the cameras that are down here. So I knew they were going to be around this sort of area anyway, obviously confirmed by the drone. But anyway, got some nice footage, really nice to see them. So there for next season anyway. Right, onwards and upwards. over the other side of the farm now. I think if you remember from the drone video earlier, we saw a group of deer that were in the wood there, quite deep in the wood. It's not our wood, so I think what we're going to do is head to the edge of the wood there and see if they're going to come out before last light. So, see if we get lucky. Okay, we didn't have much time to record or film anything there. There was a little group, probably 3 of them, 1 stag. There was a yearling that was right next to it as well, which I don't know if it's down or not, so I'm going to go to the shot site and see what we can see. Thankfully the farmer, very, very kind farmer, is coming along to help us out to get these on the gator and back in Jeff's truck. So thankfully we're not going to have to do a huge extraction. As you can see now, we're starting to lose the light a little bit. So anyway, successful stalk, 2 on the ground, happy days. So yeah, it's been a good one. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Well guys, that's it for this week. We hope you enjoyed the video. For more information on the products used in this video, please visit Scott Country International online. The link is on the screen. If you enjoy the Night Vision Show videos, please like, share and subscribe, and pop a comment below with what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching. See you again. Cheers.